Hello, now I will cover the cell function. So this is a help section of the cell function. It says that the cell function returns information about formatting, location or contents of the cell. So we'll see what are the information type that the cell function can return. So the cell function has this as the structure. So cell and then info type, and then here reference is the cell reference you can give. So the info type is address. If you are giving address, then reference of the first cell in reference. So let's say if you are giving as an example, let's say as an example we have given address as a reference. So I have given here A10 address reference and $G$4, or even if I make it G4 and press enter, it will give me the $G$4. It gives the fixed cell reference. So if you are interested in finding out the location of any cell, so you can use this address. Then the next is call. It returns the column number of the cell in reference. So if I am asking for call of G4, so G is EFG7, so I will get the 7 as the answer. If I want to get the row of G4, so I have to use the cell info as row, it will give me 4. Okay. Then next is the color. The value 1 if the cell is formatted in color for negative values, otherwise it returns 0. Many times what happens is in accounting, let's say if I have -2 and I want to know the color of this cell, so I will drag this here -2. So this comes as 0 because this is not formatted in negative. So see, if formatted in color for negative values, it is not formatted in color for negative values, but now I will format it. So I'll go to more number format, number, and I say give me red color, and I say okay. So now it has become red color, and if I go to this color and again press, so this is refresh. If I refresh, this has become 1. So if you want to check whether a cell is a negative value and colored, so this is negative, 2 red means negative, so this way you can check and it will give 1. Now this is very useful in your models. Okay, but if I make this, let's say another number format, and I don't make it negative but bracket, and I go to this and enter, then it has come 0. Right? So that because it's negative but it is not colored in red or not colored. Now contents. So if you see contents, the value of the upper left cell in reference, not a formula. So if you have some text, you can get the value of that. So as an example, contents of G4. So I have G4. Yeah, so G4, I have the value of 4.0. So it has given me, if I ask for contents of G4, it has given me. So that is the contents.